Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 4 of Christmas in July. My name is Kayla, and I love to teach mindset and organization tips for leaders and professionals. And so today I want to show you a template of mine, my goal setting template. I wanted to throw a plug in for my new Etsy shop. I started uploading some of my favorite templates here just to make it easier for you to find them. And I've been running some sales in the month of July, and we'll see what ends up happening in August. We have 18 items listed, which I'm excited about. And so today we're going to be using the Goal Getter template. I'm going to be showing you how I love to use this. I like this one because it's the aqua color and it has space for SMART goals, metrics and milestones, potential barriers for awareness, and my motivation and my why. This template can be used in OneNote, GoodNotes, Notion, Evernote. You can print it out. It comes in different colors, so you have it in blue, pink, yellow, green, and this plain gray color, which is actually my best seller of this item. And so obviously, because it's pretty neutral, you can print it out, customize it for yourself. I have the aqua one saved here. Oops. So let's import that into GoodNotes as a new file. Oh, you saw a sneak peek. I'm working on some fall stickers. I can't wait to show that to you guys. It's gonna be fun. All right, so now I have my Goal Getter page. It's gonna start by editing that. So I wanted to share about my business. So I'm actually working to automate my systems more. And so my goal is going to be to fully automate my email welcome nurture sequence for different segments, providing tailored value. So if you ever join my email list, you may have seen this. I'll show it to you here. Oh gosh, you know I always have so many tabs open because that's how my brain works. So if you visit my website, KFA Consulting, and you've clicked get my newsletter, or maybe you've signed up for one of my forums on my YouTube channel, when you click this, it's going to take you to a landing page that says, like, what do you want to hear about? And in the past, when I had you fill this out, I didn't have choices. It was just like, join my newsletter, or get access to my free resource library, or get this download. And so when people would join my list, I would just have everybody like in one group. But then I started noticing that different folks like different types of topics. So actually, when you join my email list, you'll be able to select planning, organization, mindset, or careers and leadership. And you can select them all if you want. You can select just planning and organization. It's totally up to you. And then when you send this to me, then I get a notification like, Kayla has joined the planning group. And so I had systems set up for when people were in like the big group, and I would just send them the same welcome series. It was like 7 or 10 emails long, which I provided so much free value in, links to YouTube videos, links to pieces of my course that I offer. So that was really cool, and I have an amazing open rate and click rate. You guys are a wonderful audience and really pay attention and really care about what I send you. But now that I know what you're more interested in, I'm like, okay, cool. I want to create specific fully automated email sequences for each of those 4 areas. So there's the planning, there's the organization. And if you're watching this, you might have noticed that I sent you emails about this, video going live. And I've been sending them to everybody, but I know that not everybody wants to hear about planning or leadership. So I really do want to tailor it. So I only add value where you want it, right? So it's not that I didn't have it fully automated before, but now I want to take it a step further and fully automate those segments, which are, well, the cool thing about GoodNotes is if you hold down your pencil after making the line, it goes straight. So these are my 4 segments. So I think some metrics for milestones would be, 1, I want to define the value to share with each segment. So essentially define what value means for each segment. For example, if you are just interested in planning, I don't want to send you a free download on interviewing or how to ask for a raise, right? I would only want to send that to the career leadership folks. So number 1 is just kind of sitting down and defining, like, what does value mean for each segment or group of people or my community. And 2 would be kind of scripting out, I'm going to say scripting or outlining the sequence and I'm going to call them like deliverables. So there's going to be like the copy of like what I would write in the email to welcome you, to nurture you, to take care of you and add value. But there's going to be like the freebies that I would want to send you, as well as like offers to my paid opportunities. So whether that's, maybe it's the planner, or maybe it's a one-on-one coaching session with me. So I really want to make sure that I'm not saying, oh, come do a one-on-one leadership coaching session with me, if you're just interested in planning and I can't offer you value in that way. So yeah, defining what value means for each segment, scripting and obtaining the sequence, I think would be the other next right step for this. And then I'm just going to resize this so it all fits cute in the box. That's the beauty of digital planning. You just like resize it and it's no problem. I think the third thing would be, once I have the idea of what the value means, the scripting and the deliverables, it would be like actually the written full copy. And the packaged deliverables into my software. I'm currently using Flowdesk for my email list provider, but it's not connected to any other landing pages or sequences where I could offer the free course within the same system. So I want to just make it easier for myself. So that written copy, I'm putting it all in Kartra. So I'm moving my content in context over to Kartra so that I can more easily add value to you, and it's all in one system. I don't have to connect all these different platforms. So that those would be my my metrics and milestones, and my why for this would be, I feel like, and then I should say like number 5 would be like actually going live with the sequence fully automated. And then my motivation is why is to add tailored value, not just like throw it at the wall and hope that you enjoy the value, but actually what you want to build a more trusting community. Because I do want to help all of you who watch, and I want to be able to learn from you. And so ultimately, like once we have that really good relationship, I do want to actually get to know you on a deeper level. And be able to serve you more deeply. Because that's really rewarding for me, and it allows me to have fun in my business, but also be doing something that I love. So, monthly, weekly, and daily actions. I feel like monthly is, I don't know, just kind of starting with Kartra. So, I signed up and I started migrating my contacts. I signed up for a course through Louise Henry. She's amazing. And I signed up for her passive income course where she gives access to Kartra learnings and her Kartra course. So I'm going to be learning a lot about Kartra. And then once I learn that, I feel like that's going to take me, this course starts in August. Begins the 8th, I believe. So I think once I have that going, my weekly actions are really going to be the copy. Copy, scripting, outlining, and then I think the actual full written copy. And I don't think I need to create this from scratch. Like, I already have wonderful copy, and I worked with Amelia Stenman. She is a wonderful copywriter, and she has commented on a couple of my videos already. Her name on Instagram is Virtual Amelia. I love her. And definitely check her out. She has written my email series and helped me add extreme value to my current community already. And I'm so grateful for her. She's awesome. So check that out. And then I think once I have the full scripting and the full written copy, that's when my daily actions are going to be making sure that I have the right links to any of the specific workflows. So I feel like making sure my landing pages are accurate, making sure that I check Kartra to make sure that the workflows are happening as I'm expecting, and that I'm planning my social media content and emails outside of the welcome list to make sure I'm sharing authentically in a genuine way, like when actual real life things happen. And then I think just going live, and I'm hoping that watching that community blossom. That's my ultimate goal, is to meet all of you and have more conversations. I think potential barriers to this is to watch out for is getting caught up in the Kartra learning. That can be tough, as well as just getting hung up on the deliverables, and just knowing I have some really awesome opportunities that are free and paid, and just go with it. People are watching your channel, Kayla, so they must enjoy it. And also I think maybe I don't know that this is a barrier, but just something for awareness is just ask on social media and YouTube and deliver. Whatever people want, lean into it. Alright everybody, that is how you use this goal getter template. I will link to my Etsy shop below so you can check it out if you want to snag it for yourself. Of course, you can get it in all the different colors. And thank you for being here with me on day 4 of Christmas in July, and I hope you enjoyed this planning / mindset goal setting session. Take care everybody, and I'll see you in the next one.